Hello everyone, welcome to Towhid Academy. Today we are going to solve the Dhaka Board's SSC question of the year 2020. This question solving is really very important for the candidates who are sitting for SSC in next year, and I also wish a great success for those who have seated for exam in this year and a great progress for them in future. So let's get started, and today we're going to answer the solid mark questions of the SSC questions. So let's get started. Our first question, number 1. Here are the answers. You can pause if you need and even take a screenshot if necessary. So let's get started by answering. Now this historical means traditional, primitive, inception, historic. The answer is historic, as you can see it there. And then May Day event occurred in that century. It will be 19th century. Then to the C. The policeman attacked the strikers on, this will be May 4th. And then clubs and revolvers were used upon strikers. And then number E, the workers demand 1 to dash work time, reduce work time. Then number F, to stop exploitation, workers should not speak meekly. And then to the last number G, and not to give in to their bosses. What does give in mean here? Not to give in to their bosses. So given means to agree. Given means this. For number, agree to stop struggling. And now let's move to number 3 by skipping number 2, because 3 is the another one which is which is called solid mark question. So let's get started. These are the answers of number 3. So let's get started. It is seen from the passage that global warming is becoming great threat for the fish population. For global warming, food production and oxygen amount of water decreases. As a result, some fishes can be extinct soon. Here are the answers. You may take screenshots if necessary. Let's move to number 4 of the question. Now here are the answers of number 4. You can take a screenshot if it's necessary. So let's move to number 4. Over here. Now here are the name of the events, year and time, place, achievement. So let's get started. Now born on 5th August 1930, received BSc in Purdue University. And then left from the moon in 16 July 1969, and the event name is not given over here, so we have to write this according to the time and year. So the achievement on 20 July 1969, first step on the surface of the moon was the achievement. And then the last one, died on 25th August 2020. You have to answer this by reading the text. Always needed to be answered by reading the text, even the 3 and the 1 number as well. So let's move to number 6, which is match the parts of sentence given in the text A, B, and C to given in column A, B, and C to write 5 complete sentences. So these are the answers. And now let's move to the question. 1 number column, the 1 A will be joined with 2 of column B and 3 of column C. So democracy means a system of government. Then number B, it allows freedom of speech, religion, and political opinions. Then number C, it means fair and equal treatment for citizens. Then number D, people elect their respective representative directly in a democratic country. And the last one, fair and free and fair election is the precondition of democracy. Okay, then let's move to number 7, which is gonna be the last question we are going to solve today. So let's move to number 7. This is put the following parts of story in correct order to rewrite the whole story. Only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. Now this is the answer. These are the answers of number 7. So let's get started by reading. Okay, let's move it aside. And now at first C. Once upon a time there lived a young man named Androcles, then E. He was caught by a slave merchant who sold him to a rich man in another country. G, over here. G, his master was very bad and inflicted heavy torture on him. Then B, this page. One day he fled from his master's house and took shelter in a cave. Then A, in the evening a lion entered the cave. F, the lion seemed wounded as he was groaning. D, over here. He came near Androcles and lifted his paw. And the last one, H. He took the lion's paw in his hand and removed a big thorn from it. The lion was relieved from pain. So this was the total things we were going to answer from part A, reading part, and part B, which is writing part. This is really important too. And thanks for staying until the last of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks.